We live in such crazy times, I swear. It's like, you just sometimes just gotta laugh at it. It's just so insane. And sometimes wonder if we're in a dream or something. A strange, like, nightmarish dream. But it's funny because Caitlyn Jenner, she was named Female of the Year, Woman of the Year, and yet Caitlyn Jenner is a man. I don't care how she wants to identify with herself or, you know, what kind of sex change she had. Biologically speaking, she's a man. That's how she was. He was born with a penis, whether he chopped it off, whatever, that's on him. But, you know, if he has the right to identify however he would like, but that doesn't mean that I have to play along with his insanity. And what's, like I was saying, it's funny is that a man was named Female of the Year, Woman of the Year, and women celebrated it. They're basically celebrating a man doing a better job of being a woman than a woman. You see the insanity in it? And women are celebrating as if this is like great for the feminist movement and women empowerment. It's like, are you kidding me? The lunacy of it, that you're celebrating a man doing a better job at being a woman than a woman being a woman. Like, what? The insanity of it is just insane. And I mean, it's just one of many reasons why more and more men are going their own way. So much insanity of what is going on, and that women are applauding this type of behavior and this type of insanity about, you know, being able to identify however you want, whatever kind of gender you want. I just read a statistic today about how younger men, it's a record high right now that the least amount of younger men they're staying, the record high number of younger men that are abstaining from sex. You know, more and more men are going monk mode or in MGTOW and just abstaining from sex. More and more men are essentially going their own way, and for a number of different reasons, but one of them also is due to the insanity of this transgender agenda that is going on. And for anybody that questions that there's an agenda, there absolutely is, and you just need to research into it. And there's, you know, the more you research, the more you see that this giant web is interconnected, and there are several reasons why that this agenda would be being pushed. One is to destroy the family union, and also to be a distraction. You know, we're distracted. On the news, the mainstream news outlets are pushing the stuff like crazy. And this is keeping us distracted from more important topics, much more important topics. And it's basically, it's celebrating these people, allowing them, and encouraging them to act like the victim. And basically what that is that's diminishing that's diminishing those who really are victims. It's diminishing their argument. It's discrediting. It's taking away from the real people that are victims, the real atrocities that are going on right now. And that's why it absolutely is an agenda that's going on, and it's crazy. And that's why so many men are just shaking their head and just going their own way. You know what? This is just too insane to even deal with. And that's why more people are men that are going their own way are finding themselves getting attracted to the minimalist kind of lifestyle, just unplugging, going off the grid, getting away from all the insanity, because you realize that this is such a big project to fix all this, and is it even worth it? Because when you step into the arena, you get bullied, just for speaking up, and that's how you can always tell about what is the agenda. Is think about what you're not allowed to criticize, what you're not allowed to talk about, and what'll be the most likely to get censored. And it's these exact type of topics. So just some Saturday night food for thought for you guys. I'm sure a lot of you guys are probably already awake to these types of things, because on this channel I put out a lot of more awake type content for people that are waking up. So hope all you guys are doing well and making that money, baby. Have some good videos coming up about some money making tips. This week's been busy. I've been crushing it. All my business has been exploding, so got lots of good things to share. And until next time, you know what I'm gonna say. Let's make it a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.